You son of a... I'm gonna kick your mother ass. I told you already, shut the up.
That's an Edward.
Hello. You silly son of a...
Ricky ticky tack tack.
I lost my... Alright everybody. Oh shit. That was delayed. You son of a... Why don't you kiss your mother in a... You kiss your mother with that dirty little...
You asshole!
Alright, give that to Ed, and we gotta do the final one. Don't have it sideways, man. Have it straight up. Wait, what you doing?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Cause man, like, it's weird.
Alright.
You can hear car alarm?
We call this a hoedown.
Hoedown?
We call this one the hoedown.
Alright, start the hoedown. You're pissing this lady off behind us.
And that was a hoedown.
That is the hoedown.
We got neighbors pissed off over there.
Yeah, we do. We got people mad as shit. Let's leave.
Let's see if this lady's over.
I got an idea. That is echoing. God damn.
So, as you can see, I'm on a different YouTube channel, yes, Al, and yeah, we had to start over. I lost my passwords and everything, so we started anew. Back to you again with the Impractical Masters exclusives. I am now the Impractical documents, like the productions or whatever, and then myself, well, not myself, my friend over here, holding the camera right now.
I'm done, you know, Impractical Gaming, you know, everybody knows it. So,
Put a link in, well, not a link,
like
in,
and subscribe to this, and I will do as well.
back there.
And I'll probably comment on other different things that we should do with our new air horns.
Like, you can give us the most stupidest shit, the most funniest shit, like whatever you want us to do, we would do it. Like,
Yeah, we will. We will do that shit.
And we support it. Ricky ticky tack tack. Remember,
All right,
like this video.
Impractical's out.